Welcome. If you value your privacy while browsing LinkedIn and want to keep your visits to company pages discreet, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable the feature that lets organizations see when you visit their LinkedIn page, all from your PC. This guide is based on the latest LinkedIn update, so you'll have the most current steps at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Me icon. This is usually your profile picture. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can control various aspects of your LinkedIn experience. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Find and click on Visibility. This section is all about who can see your activity and information on LinkedIn. Within the Visibility section, look for the option called Page Visit Visibility. Click on it to open more settings related to how your visits to company pages are tracked. Here's the crucial part. You'll see a setting labeled Allow Organizations to See When You Visit Their LinkedIn Page. By default, this might be turned on, which means companies can see when you've checked out their page. To keep your browsing private, simply toggle this setting off. Once disabled, organizations will no longer be notified when you visit their LinkedIn page. And that's it. You've just taken control of your LinkedIn privacy with a few simple steps. Now you can explore company pages without leaving a trace. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date LinkedIn tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more ways to take charge of your online presence.